Welcome to your first unit of programming. We're going to learn how to use the print function. Don't worry, this is one of the easiest things you can learn in programming. So the way programming works is that you write a bunch of code and then you run that code, and the output of that code, if there is any, will be displayed onto the terminal. When you want to print any text or message, or in other words, you want any text outputted onto the terminal, this is the format that you will always follow. Print, open brackets, open quotation marks, and in the quotation marks, you will insert the message you want displayed onto the terminal. For example, let's say I want to write a program that prints the text, "You're doing great in this course." Then I would follow the same format and write print, open brackets, open quotation marks, and I would write, "You're doing great in this course!" exclamation mark. Now you know how to print text and messages. So, anytime you want to print something, just follow this format and put your text inside the quotation marks. Now that you know how it works, we're going to try a little activity with the print function in the next video.